Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve part C of question number 5. In this case you have to subtract this expression from this expression. So before subtracting these expressions, what we have to do is we have to simplify them, means we have to open these brackets, and we know that whenever we have to open the brackets we have to multiply this term which is outside the bracket with all the terms which are inside the brackets. And I've already told you how we differentiate the terms, means how we know that how many terms are there inside the bracket. So for that we count the number of signs. So this is the first sign, this is the second sign, and there if nothing is written we consider this as plus. So there are three signs, means there are three terms, L as first, 4n second, and 5n as third. So we have to multiply this with all the terms. So 3l multiplied by L, base is same, so this will become 3l square. After that 3 multiplied by 4 will be 12, because we know that constant can be multiplied together, and L and M when multiplied will give us L multiplied by M. Now there will be plus 3 multiplied by 5 will be 15, and L multiplied by N will give us L multiplied by N, because these are not like terms, so these can't be multiplied. So this has to subtract it from this. Again we have to simplify this. 4 into 10 is 40, L multiplied by N. Similarly 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, L multiplied by M, and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Again this will be L square, because the base is same, so power will be added. Now we have to subtract this from this. So there are two ways of solving this. First of all, there could be a horizontal method or there could be a vertical method. So I am explaining here I'll explain you both the methods how you can solve. First of all, let's write this. You have to subtract this from this, so obviously this should be the greater value. If I am saying you have to subtract 4 from 9, so obviously you will write 9 first. After that you will minus 4, and this will give us 5. Similarly here also we have to write this first. So this will be 40 ln minus 12 lm, and at the last this will be 8 l square. Now after that we have to subtract this. So it's better to write like terms below like terms. So this is 3l square, so this should be written here 3l square with positive sign, because these has positive sign. After that this is minus 2lm, so this can be written here minus 2 12lm, and at the last this plus 15 ln can be written below 15 ln. Now we have to subtract, so obviously we have to change the sign. This positive will become negative, this negative will become positive, and this positive will become negative. Now let's solve. This has positive sign, now this has negative sign, so plus minus is minus. So 40 minus 15 is 25 ln with positive sign, because greater value has positive sign. This is positive, this is negative, so 12 lm can be cancelled out. This is plus minus, so plus minus is minus, so 8 minus 3 is 5. So this will be 5 l square with again positive sign, because greater value has positive sign. So this should be the answer. Similarly, if you want to solve this horizontally, again we have to write this first. So this will be 40 ln minus 12 lm plus 8 l square. Now we have to subtract. So this is the first bracket, and this is written in the second bracket. So this is 3l square minus 12 lm and plus 15 ln. Now I have to open the bracket, so this will remain as it is, but before outside this bracket there is a negative sign, so all the sign inside the bracket will be changed. That is why here while we are subtracting, these signs get changed. So this is actually minus. When multiplied by plus will give minus L square. Minus multiplied by minus will give plus, so this will be 12Lm. And minus multiplied by plus will become minus 15Ln. So that is why when there is a negative sign outside the bracket, we simply change signs inside the bracket. Now we have to see the like terms. So 14Ln and 15Ln can be solved together. So I am writing these together. After that, this term and this term has been written. Now the second term, which is 12Lm. This is again 12Lm plus 12Lm. And at the last, plus 8L square minus 3L square. So I have written all like terms together so that solution can be easy. Now plus minus is minus. So 40 solved with 15 obviously will give 25Ln with positive sign because greater value has positive sign. And this plus minus can be cancelled because 12 and 12 will be 0. And this plus minus will be plus. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So this will give 5L square. The answer will come same in both the cases. If you but you can use any of these two methods. So this is how you can solve this question. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any problem in maths, you can directly contact us. The phone number and the email address is given below in the description. The next part we'll do in the next video. Thank you.